Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the region on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Language and Region. Click the box to the right of Region and choose your desired region. Your Mac region won't immediately change. You have to click the X icon in the top left to close the preferences. Choose Restart Now to restart your Mac. When your Mac has restarted, the region will have changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.